Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mighty Kiddos. Today I'm here with my oldest son, JT, and we're going to work on dyeing some rice and some pasta so you could use in your sensory bins with your toddlers or your children. So if you're interested in do-it-yourself dyeing of pasta and rice, stay tuned. Okay guys, so this recipe is super duper easy. All you will need is a cup of rice for each color that you want to do. We're going to need some food coloring and some alcohol, which we have right here, rubbing alcohol. So this recipe in particular, I would not suggest using with kiddos that have an oral fixation, meaning that they put everything in their mouth. We don't want them putting anything with alcohol in their mouth. Okay, let's get started. All right, JT, can you please scoop one cup of rice in here? Okay, good. And in the other ones as well. Okay, next we're doing 1 teaspoon of alcohol in each bin. Fill it to the top, okay? There you go. Ooh, I see that. So if you have older siblings, they would love to help mix and do this for any sensory bin. So sensory bins are important because we're allowing kids to play with their senses. Sometimes we can add essential oils so they could smell good. In this one, we're going to keep it really simple. We're not adding any essential oils, but you can, if you want to do like a calming sensory bin, just put some essential oils of lavender, and then the kids would love to play with that. Good job, JT. Good mixing. Whoa, that's a beautiful blue. Can we show the camera what that blue looks like? Let's get it close. Whoa, this is the neon food coloring. I will say it's better to get the liquid food coloring instead of the gel food coloring. If you do use the gel food coloring, the drying time is going to be longer. So keep mixing. Now we're doing pink next. Yay! Mommy's favorite color. Purple. Oh, my bad, purple.
Which is also your favorite color.
I like purple, but it's not my favorite. So here we go. Mix and mix, mix. What do you think about this experiment?
It's pretty good.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's fun?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to get the stuff ready so we can dry them. We just need a cooking sheet with a baking sheet. We just need a baking sheet with some paper towels to let them dry, and we'll see how we do. Stay tuned. Look at those colors. Wonderful colors. Looks like we did a good job. This is going to be fun to play with, huh?
Yeah.
Does it already feel dry?
It feels dry.
Okay, cool.
Okay, now we're going to do a second recipe. We're going to do food pasta. If you like what you're watching, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Thank you for joining us on today's video, and I hope you guys get inspired to do some fun activities with your older kids so even your younger kids can enjoy it in a sensory bin. If you like this video, what should they do, JT?
Hit subscribe.
Hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Bye.